government system and procedures are very clear on employment, hiring, firing, and all that pertains to issues of abolition of office. So if it is true that somebody who is an employee of the government and a civil servant comes and employs somebody else, that shows then there's something which is amiss, and something which we need to go down and investigate and confirm, so that at least we can rectify that's a anomaly. Because when you have an outsider working in a very sensitive office, such as a rand office, it means then we are missing the point that we may have some issues there. So the raised issue will be taken in, we'll do what is required of us, we'll register your concern, and then we move in and establish exactly what is the position. Naturally, I can assure you, an imposter or an outsider who is within that office should not even be entertained in the first place, because their purpose of being there may be personal. But as an officer, I assure you, we have in charge of those different sections. They are responsible for their officers who they are deploying there. So if there's any omission, they are supposed to be accountable for that.
And in Nyando's case, I know that she was working under the DC, and then last year she was brought back, and she has a letter to that effect. But that issue you can follow up with the DC, you can also follow up with the Director HR in Nairobi. So as I said, when I took over the office, there was an issue of casual staff who they mainly come to clean the office, just helping us with the petty errands and that kind of thing. And it's true that that is not a particular government officer, but it's a casual staff who helps us with the errands in the office. But I think even for members of the public, if the office is clean, it's safe, and they're able to access their services, that is more of their concern rather than maybe who in particular is cleaning the office.